A web developer is a programmer who specializes in the development of applications for the World Wide Web. Web developers are responsible for the design, development, and maintenance of websites and web applications. Web development can be broken down into two main categories: front-end development and back-end development. Front-end developers are responsible for the design and layout of a website, as well as the user experience. They use languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build and style the visual elements of a website. Back-end developers, on the other hand, focus on the functionality of a website. They use programming languages such as PHP, Ruby, and Python to build and maintain the server side of a web application. This includes tasks such as storing and retrieving data from a database, processing user input, and handling security measures. In addition to these technical skills, web developers should also have strong problem-solving and communication skills. They must be able to work independently and as part of a team and be able to translate business and user requirements into functional and visually appealing web applications. Web development is a constantly evolving field, and web developers need to stay up to date with the latest technologies and best practices. This may involve learning new programming languages, frameworks, and tools, as well as keeping up with trends in web design and user experience. In conclusion, web developers are responsible for the design, development, and maintenance of websites and web applications. They use a combination of front-end and back-end skills to create functional and visually